Hey guys, it's Safety Security Alert here today, and today we're going to be doing a fire alarm inspection in my town. So yeah, we're going to be doing a fire alarm inspection. I'm going to be meeting up with the town fire alarm inspector in my town, and there's some new offices in my town that are almost done, and they're doing the final inspection there. So yeah, I'm going to be recording that, and let's go do it.
Mine is right over here.
We're gonna start.
Right in there. All of them that were
Yeah,
marked
there's
on
the
the
smoke
plan.
detector. So
One
that
there,
one
we got another one down.
is an advanced strobe. I like that one.
Okay, that's about right. So you want to be about that far.
Just like that.
Yep. So you want to be right under the head
And when they go
and
up,
pull all the way down. Let spray. Pull even harder.
there we go.
There you go.
It's pretty hard to do when you're holding a camera.
Yeah.
And then the red LED will turn on when it goes off.
Yeah. Let me try a fresh can in there. That sounds dead. Drop it down.
Okay. You see, it hasn't gone to alarm yet. It's still blinking green.
Okay, there you go.
So,
So get it all the way up there.
and then,
Really pull on it good.
all right. I'm trying to do that. All right.
How about that? There we go.
All right, ready?
Right. All right. Get that under there. Okay. Now spray right at the head. Pull down even harder. Okay. Now count to 30. There you go. There you go. Oh no. Keep. There you go.
All right. That's loud. Here. Want to take this?
Yeah.
Ow, that's loud. All right, guys. See that strobe's going off? Can you take this? There's a strobe there. Oh wow, they're not in sync. Should I just put this down somewhere? Or?
Just hold on.
Okay. Oh my gosh, that's loud. I can't believe they're not in sync. Would you mind taking this for a second? Oh, that is so loud. Is there any alarms in here? Oh, there's a short there. Looks like there's one here. That is so loud.
You say you follow me?
It works, yeah. There's a heat detector up there.
What's that?
Yeah.
Oh, the main electrical panel is right in there.
The fire alarm panel.
Okay. We'll go back to it.
That one works. That is loud. How do you not cover your ears? Oh, it's a silent night panel.
I'm gonna shut it down.
Yeah, you reset it.
Am I allowed to do it or not?
Sure.
You want to do it?
Sure.
Press.
Alright, and then enter?
Yeah. Reset.
Reset it, yeah. I have my own fire alarm panel. I'm just used to just the buttons, and I'm not used to the passcode. You know?
Well, you
Because
need a
the-
code, yeah.
Because the newer panels, you know.
That was loud.
And a wire reflex.
Okay,
System normal.
you're good.
Alright, should I close it?
Happy? Go ahead, buddy.
I'm happy. As
Yeah,
happy as
do
I
it.
can.
That was pretty cool. Oh wait, are we testing any others or not?
No.
Go flip it.
Alright.
No, that's
That's loud. Alright, that's reset. Yeah, it's up. Alright, that was pretty cool.
all right. Thank you very much.
Alright.
Appreciate it.